captain on this stage just to decide who will be sitting in the first, second, third, and fourth place.
And since Saroj sir and Hima ma'am are the ones who organize this, I think it's only fair that they declare the results. It's not me, okay?
Hey guys, namaste, welcome to my new vlog. I hope you guys are fit and fine, and I am fine as well. Today this vlog I am starting from my school where I work as a science teacher in secondary level, and in our schools it's Friday today and we are organizing a quiz competition program from class 2 to class 10, divided into two categories, junior and senior. So we are doing all the preparations for that, and this vlog will be in English today, so please don't mind because this is an English medium school where we are not supposed to speak Nepali language at all. So if any mistake, please do consider. And let me show you the stage where my students and the students of class 10 mainly are helping me and cooperating to decorate the stage and decorate the boards and all. And in very short time we are going to start our vlog. We'll also show you some drone shots, so stay tuned guys. And here is the stage being decorated for today's quiz. These are our students who are helping us. It's a balloon boy.
Subscribe to Sky Vlogs Nepal.
Good. So firstly we'll have junior quiz where class 2 to class 5 housewise they will be participating, and they are already coming here to participate in this program. So let me show you them coming. These are our junior kids.
A few moments later.
Class 2 to class 5, a very warm good morning to you all. And good morning and welcome to Science Quiz 2021 of this junior group of class 2 to class 5. I already have got the name of participants here from all these houses. You know already that we have 4 houses and we are doing this science quiz house-wise. Means this is inter-house science quiz competition from class 2 to class 5 for now. Okay, good luck to all the captains, and now they will select one seat and please provide it one by one. Select one, take one. Yes. Now show us the number. Red Leaf House will be sitting on this desk, this seat. You can call all your participants on that chair.
How are you feeling?
Nice, good.
Excited?
Yes, I'm excited. Excited.
Do you think you will win?
Yes, I
Of
think.
course.
Yeah.
Which house?
Oxford.
Oxford. Let's see.
Okay, listen to the question properly. How many pairs of wings the thorax of butterfly bears? How many pairs of wings the thorax of butterfly bears?
Keep quiet.
2.
2 pairs. Sure?
Yes. Yes.
Yes? Yes, and its right answer will get 20 points.
Yes, sir, you can.
It's very well organized. I want to thank Saroj sir and the entire science teachers. It's very well organized, very well decorated also, and the questions are also very nice. I want to thank them very much. Right?
Yes.
Thank you. Proud to have them in Wilson.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Time up.
Bye.
Oxford House. Number 21. The question is, okay, what is called a thick blanket of air surrounding us?
Atmosphere.
Sure?
Yes.
Absolutely right answer. We get 20 points. Okay, to Howard House, number please. Street number 1. Time starts now. Question number 1. Which things do not move? Which things do not move?
Stones.
Wrong answer. The larva of butterfly is called. The larva of butterfly is called.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Right answer. Number 3. The green pigment found in plant cell. The green pigment found in plant cell called.
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Correct answer. Number 4. Percentage of water in our body. Percentage. 70% is very correct answer. Number 5. Which planet is called home planet?
Earth.
Earth is our home planet. Very well played again. Except number 1. The question number 1. Which part of our body helps us to taste?
Tongue.
Tongue. Correct answer number 2. In which state of matter particles are very close?
Solid.
Solid. Correct answer number 3. What are the smallest units of our body called?
Molecules.
Wrong answer number 4. In how many groups all animals are divided?
2.
Right answer, vertebrate and invertebrate. Number 5, animals which give birth to their young ones.
Mammals.
Wrong answer. So, out of 5, they made 3 answers correct.
Time.
We'll tell the answers of 2 questions and they will this in 35 seconds again. So, we'll get 15 marks.
Before we announce the results, I really want to thank Saroj Yadav sir, Rima ma'am, and all those who made. I'm really impressed. We had, I think this is so well organized, the decoration so well done, the questions were done, and all of you were showing interest. Unlike the maths quiz, like most of you were not even showing interest, but here all of you were showing interest. So thank you very much, sir. I'm very happy for Saroj sir and Rima ma'am and all. The way you all took part, this boy in the front, I think he deserves one chocolate from my side. What's his name? Every question he was trying to answer. Come on. Although you gave the wrong answer, but every question he was trying to answer. Okay, so special pleasure. Let's get chocolate for you. Okay, God bless you. God bless you. Okay, so you do the announcement. So don't worry. You start taking the cover. The chocolates are finished.
Thank you so much, sir. So you already know the points on a board, but still we'll announce here. Okay, so Harvard House with 130 points, they got first position. Big hands for them. Likewise, second position favored by Oxford House with 110 points. Yarmouth House became third with 55 points, and the last one, Cambridge House also played very well and is very close to the third position with 50 points. Good luck for the next match. We do have so many quizzes in coming days. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much. Utilizing this break time of 15 minutes, we are taking a drone shot, so please do check out drone shot as well.
भन्दै रसाउँछन् आँखा बुझिन मैले तिम्रो हृदयको भाका जलन किन जब तिम्रै हुन सकिन.
Yes, now it's time for senior quiz and they already are making noise, audience already are making noise, and as you saw in junior quiz, Harvard House win and the second position was by Oxford House, right? Oxford House. And now it's senior quiz, which will be even more interesting, and they are already ready there. If I will turn this, I guess they will make noise also. Please don't make noise. No. Look, the audience is going to be so interesting. Science quiz of class 6 to class 10 now, and we are all ready with the sorts of things here. Class 6 to class 10, a very warm good afternoon to all of you. And welcome to Science Quiz 2021. We successfully conducted quiz of junior with class 2 to class 5. And now it's your turn right after lunch from class 6 to class 10. We are having science quiz. And most of the things I already have informed you, the rules, the format of this quiz and this program. Again, we'll be concluding you in very short. Which cell organelle is known as the suicidal bag of a cell? Which cell organelle is known as the suicidal bag of a cell? Rabbit house. Which cell organelle is known as the suicidal bag of a cell? Class 7 better know the answer. Last year you have one in class 6 only.
Who is class 7? You are the class 7?
Academy.
45 seconds, Rabbit house. Please, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer is xylosome.
is the correct answer. Nice
Select a number.
Question number 6. Might be an easy one.
How are you feeling, brother?
I'm feeling a little nervous.
Question number
Nervous?
6 is which class of
Why nervous?
salamander belong to?
These questions are not talking.
Which class of vertebrate salamander belong to? Audience, it's not your turn.
Reptiles.
Reptiles is the wrong answer. We'll go to
Amphibia.
Amphibia, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and it's right answer. Out of 5 questions, house will select one question, any number of from 1 to number 5. For right alternative, you will get 20 points, but for wrong alternatives, you will get -10. It's very risky round. Which of the following gives ammonia? Question is, which of the following gives ammonia? Options are nitrogen plus oxygen, hydrogen plus oxygen, nitrogen plus hydrogen, chlorine plus hydrogen. 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Nitrogen plus hydrogen.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Is the right answer. Of element gold. AU is the right answer. Question number 3. What is the study of microorganisms called? What is the study of microorganisms called? Microbiology is the right answer. Question number 4. How many layers do the sun have? Sun. How many layers do the sun have? Wrong answer. Question number 5. What is the full form of RNA? Time up. 2 out of 5 questions done by Tammy's house, like
Hello, time.
our house rate. So we'll get 10 points out of 25 points. Who is it? Our answer is Isaac Newton. Audience to decide right or wrong. Right or wrong? Yes, he is Sir Isaac Newton. Will get 20 points. Very well said, Tammy's house. Yes, Tammy's house. Answer. Audience, no any hint, please. Sorry? Sandhu Group. Dr. Sandhu Group. Sure? Sure? No? Yes. 45 seconds. Time's running.
Sir, show them.
No, sir. Maybe they will tell the answer. Please, sir. Don't tell the answer. No one, please.
Can't see them.
Once again. Mahavir Kun or Sandhu Group? Yes, he is Mahavir Kun. Will get 20 points. And he is one of the great scientists of Nepal at the time. Yes, Oxford House. Who is she? The first woman in space.
Pass, you can't.
Pass.
No.
Yes, the hint is, this is the picture of Nepal's first satellite. What is it? This is the picture of Nepal's first satellite. What is it? The picture looks like this.
Nepali Sat 1.
Nepali Sat 1 is the right answer. Somebody help me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Help him. Sorry.
And the right answer is conical flag. This is conical flag. So, please take a point. 18, sir. 18 is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Now please take a point again.
हामी त सबैले नपाउनु भयो.
It's 40 points.
Ready, na?
Finally, we got the right answer.
How are you feeling? Getting first position?
Feeling very blessed.
How are you feeling?
I would like to thank myself.
Thank myself.
Tammy's house.
How are you feeling?
She's feeling
Nothing. I'm feeling fine. Nervous.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so nice. We are lucky to have like this participant. I'm feeling so nice today.
How are you feeling, brother?
I'm feeling like
Okay, the question.
we literally carried half of the team. Half of us flew and half of us carried the entire.
A few inches later.
Okay, so all the participants are there, and finally we have done all our quiz, and the winner is Radley Faust, right? Yes. Once cheers for all of you. Yourself, please cheers. Yo. Okay, very less energy. Anyway, congratulations to the winners, and all the participants will continue these types of programs in the days to come, and hope to see the same kinds of energy and same kinds of participations. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you all. We do have teachers. Yes, here are our teachers. Cheers. Okay, so we have done this all for today. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, this quiz vlog from school. I hope you like this and was especially dedicated to my all dear students. We'll be bringing you same vlogs. Yes, so at last do hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.